Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily view all of your invoices on QuickBooks. So all you have to do is head over to qbo.intuit.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just hover your mouse on sales, then click on invoices. And from here, you should be able to see all the list of your invoices. And to view a specific invoice, click on the View or Edit link. And from here, you should be able to see more details about the specific invoice and an option to edit each detail and information on the specific invoice. Then once done, you can proceed by clicking on Save, Save and Send, or Save and Close. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.